I'm gonna plant and I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's go ahead and go. All right, here is what I have so far for my garden bed. I have, what are these? Jalapeno peppers, a tomato plant, bell pepper, cucumber. Do I only have one cucumber? Yeah. And then these are bell peppers, I think. Yeah, bell peppers. And I think maybe a banana pepper. There's a banana pepper in here somewhere. I have my fertilizer. I have some more garden soil. And then I have 3 different sizes of these cages. And so we will take all of this over to the garden area. This is our neighborhood garden. Got an area over here with a sink. And then there's another sink down beyond there. And then the garden from here goes the same distance on that side as it is on this side. But anyway, you can lease, they have different size beds. So you can lease a bed for a year. And that is what I'm doing. This is my bed, and each bed is irrigated. So it's kind of cool. So now I just have to clean out my bed. This is what my raised bed looked like a couple weeks ago when I pulled all the major weeds. You can see right here where I planted some Brussels sprouts in the fall. And I really didn't know what I was doing. So they're pretty small, but they grew. And then this, I said this is some kind of society garlic or something. So I may just leave that there, I don't know. But anyway, here we go. Once I pulled all of the weeds, I went ahead and used my little cultivator tool to turn over the dirt that was in the bed to get it ready for the rest of the stuff that has to go in there. Now that I have all of the existing soil turned over, I'm going to go ahead and add this cow manure compost. All right, I put about half of that bag of the cow manure compost, and I'll probably only use 1 bag of the garden soil, and then I will mix it all up with my handy dandy little thing over there, the little rake thing. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, that's next. All right, I think I have everything where I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna have my jalapeno peppers, hot banana peppers. This is gonna be a bell pepper. This is gonna be a bell pepper. And then right here is going to be a tomato. I'm going to keep that there for right now. Cucumber. And then over here, I had some green onions, and it looks like there's still the roots, some of the roots are still in there because I'm getting some more sprigs, so I'm going to leave that alone for now. So yeah, now let me get everything planted. These are the green onions that I picked from my little garden bed a couple weeks ago, and I had so many come out of that garden bed. Well, I just noticed this is zucchini squash. It was in the cucumber bin, and I didn't even pay attention to it. Well, I guess I'll have me some zucchini squash. I'll plant it somewhere. All right, now I have me some cucumbers. So I have 2 cucumber plants, and I'm gonna plant those right here, and then it will be done. Doing some of these voiceovers because it was super windy, but even though the garden bed is irrigated, I decided to give it a quick little water just to water the topsoil. It's supposed to rain overnight and tomorrow, so I'm not giving it too much, but I just wanted to get a little bit of water on top of the soil. All right, guys, this is my little garden. I hope you enjoyed seeing me plant. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because you're gonna wanna see these things get bigger. You're gonna wanna see me harvest. So don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.